Okay, a really quick video. Someone said, we need more pinball videos. So here's a couple of things I've been running into with this jackpot that I've been working on. It was a bit of a mess when I got it. It was kind of filthy and dirty and grubby, and there were a lot of little elements that didn't work, so it needed a lot of tinkering when I was going through it. Things like switches not working, lights weren't working because either the bulb was burned down or the socket was all screwed up. What else was going on? The ramp wasn't working. One of the eye sockets has a problem. The back scoop was intermittent. Yeah, and it was kind of completely filthy, which I really enjoy cleaning really filthy machines because it's nice, especially when they look pretty good underneath the dirt. So let's have a quick look and I'll show you what I'm working on. So this is the ramp mechanism here. When the ramp goes down, this solenoid fires, and then there's a little mechanism back here that has a little notch in it, catches the ramp, holds it in place, and then when it's time for the ramp to go back up, this solenoid fires and drops the ramp up, I guess, because it's spring-loaded, right? So I was missing this piece, so the ramp wasn't working. I actually couldn't find this piece, so I just made one out of aluminum angle, and I'll rebuild that later. The aluminum will probably last for a little bit, but it'll start to wear down over time. So that piece I'm going to have to replace. But it's working. So this is a fun part of the machine. This is the plunger tip. Look at how mushroomed out that is. I've never seen one quite like that. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to get it out of there. They're supposed to, look like that. And it, yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to clip that off or grind that off in place. Not sure. I'll have to fight with that. So it's cleaning up really well. It was really filthy. I posted a picture of it. Yeah, it was kind of a mess, but it's cleaning up okay. I've just cleaned it. I haven't waxed it or done anything like that yet. There's been a multitude of problems on this, little things here and there. When I had this all apart, a lot of these little star posts, they're just shattering apart. They're in really, really bad shape. I don't know if I can get in there. I have a bag of them, but I can't find the bag. So I had a handful of them, so I replaced some of the ones that are kind of deeper and hard to get at, and I actually transferred some of the bad ones to some of these places that are easy to get at, like down in here and stuff. So when I find the bag or I get a new shipment in of those, they'll be easy to swap out. But for now, it'll be fine. The ramp is working again. I do have a problem back here on the eyeball scoop. So this one is nice, and then this one is, hey, what's going on? So the weld has actually broken on that fastener. And so that's a video that's coming up on how I'm going to attempt to repair that, which should be hilarious. Or maybe not. I don't really like when people do all one side blue and all one side red. I find it kind of hard to see what's going on. So on my Pinbot, I sort of did what I did here, where I put a blue here and a white here. I have a white here and a blue here to kind of accent it, but then some of these are all white, just to sort of even it out. I don't want it to look like, what do people call it? Clown vomit. And I think that gives it kind of a nice, easy tone, a little bit of highlight in color. One purple back here because this is purple. I thought that was kind of cool. And then up here, I put one purple in behind because in the head, let me grab it. It's over here. Boop, 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 boop. Come here, you. This is all purple.
I want more.
Okay, thank you. So I thought that adding just one little purple back there kind of gives it a little bit of niceness. Added blue and red strips along the top just to sort of accent and highlight some of the darker areas of the game. You won't see that red poking out once I get the ramp on. But so yeah, I think this is cleaning up well. It's overall, underneath the dirt and the repairs, it's been it's in pretty good shape, I think. Side isn't too bad. This one actually came from Spain. There's a thing on the front. I don't know if you can read that. Prohibited. It basically says if you're a minor, you can't play without an adult. And it says from the Parliament de Catalina or something to that extent. Anyway, so yeah, so there you go. Right, so there you go, a quick pinball video. I've got a couple pokers in the fire of some stuff that's going on right now. If some of these happen, there'll be a whole lot more pinball videos soon. But I don't want to get ahead of myself, so I'm not going to say anything about it yet. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.